10 seconds.
Almost over.
Void, I'm on you.
God damn you.
Nice.
How? How?
Because I'm
Tested that
boosting you.
together. That was incredible. We did that. That was incredible. It was just the two of us for like until everyone else showed up. They couldn't hit us.
Play of the game.
Nice.
I'll be right back.
Yes, we
Oh my
should
god,
do
this is
that.
it. This is when we were contesting together. Oh my god, this is so OP. You healed me.
Pretty sure I was boosting you most of the time, but yeah.
You get my vote. Oh my god.
This is gonna be so good. You gotta play the game nerfed.
Oh my god.
Nice healing, by the way.
Thank you.
That was actually amazing. I think that's my favorite play of the game with her. Just because, like, the two of us, we got this. Gotta hold out for the rest of the team.
Oh, my game
I
crashed.
mean, I feel like I got pretty good at judging when to boost and when to heal.
I'm back just in time.
You did. Like, I was gonna die a couple times there, and you just healed me back up, and it was
Oh,
beautiful.
Jobber's left?